Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials and halting related services. First, make sure hardware virtualization is enabled in BIOS/UEFI and Windows meets requirements. Next, open services and find the Ldplayer VM service. Stop it immediately so changes can apply. Then open Task Manager and terminate any remaining Ldplayer, QEMU, or virtualization helper processes. Doing this prevents file locks and ensures the installer or repair utility can write drivers and registry entries without conflict, which is why you stop services before making configuration changes. Once services are stopped, you'll repair or reinstall Ldplayer to replace corrupt components. Run the built-in repair option or download the latest stable installer and choose Reinstall. Run it as administrator so drivers can register. If the VM driver fails, remove its old driver entries in Device Manager and reinstall the signed driver manually. Make sure Ldplayer program folders have full permissions and temporarily disable antivirus or Windows Defender real-time protection, so driver files aren't quarantined during installation. After driver and permission fixes, reboot the machine so the virtualization stack and services load cleanly. This reinitializes kernel drivers and clears transient locks. When Windows restarts, start Ldplayer and confirm the VM service runs and an emulator instance boots. If it fails, check Event Viewer for driver or service errors to pinpoint the cause. Consider disabling conflicting Hyper-V features or applying the VM patch recommended by Ldplayer, and only then contact support with logs. This troubleshooting step usually reveals lingering conflicts or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.